All right, number 4 on Tuesday's review is the same thing as number 3. You have an x, a y, and a slope. Okay, so I know that I'm going to use my point slope formula. Okay, and I have to sub in these for the numbers that I have up here. Okay, so I have my x, which is 3, my y, which is -2, and my m is 2/3 from the problem. Okay, so instead of that, I'm going to have to write -2, instead of m, 2/3, and instead of x, 3. The rest I'll fill in with the formula, an equal sign. Okay, again, I have to make it be standard form. I'm going to put a little paper here just in case I run out of room. All right, so these two, right, when you have minus and negative, it becomes a plus. And you have to distribute the 2/3. Okay, so you have y plus 2, 2/3 x. 2/3 times -3 becomes -2. Okay, and now to make it look standard, I'll have to move the x over to the left. So I have -2/3 x, and then plus y plus 2 gives me -2. I've got to move the 2 over. The constants go on the right. So -2/3 x plus y gives me -4. I would be done here, except that the coefficient of x is a fraction and a negative, and I cannot have it be a fraction or a negative. So I have to get rid of those two birds with one stone, figuratively. Okay, so how do I get rid of the 2/3? Well, I'll get rid of the denominator. The denominator is 3, essentially divided by 3. So the opposite of divided by 3 would be times 3. So if I multiply that by 3, I get rid of the 3. To get rid of the negative, I'll make that a negative, because negative times a negative becomes a plus. So if I multiply -3 by that, I get 2. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Okay, so that becomes 2x, and don't forget that you also have to multiply the y, so that would be -3y, and over here we get +12. So this would be the answer to that.